Exciting announcement! BUMS new airdrop. Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll be discussing the BUMS Airdrop. But before we dive in, I've got something special for you, a free giveaway. To enter, you don't need to do much. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, drop a comment below. Now, let's jump into the video. BUMS Airdrop and listing. Key dates and price predictions. BUMS is a dynamic minigame hosted on Telegram that combines simple, tap-based gameplay with strategic upgrades and challenges. Players can progress by unlocking new features, earning in-game currency, and participating in events like the BUMS Lottery Daily Combo to boost rewards. With an active and growing player base, BUMS is gearing up for a major milestone in Q4, its official token listing and airdrop. Key highlights. BUMS token listing is scheduled for Q4, giving players and investors access via major crypto exchanges. The BUMS Lottery Daily Combo offers players a chance to win additional rewards through daily in-game challenges. Predicted listing price ranges from $0, $0.50 to $0, $0.70, depending on market demand. An airdrop will reward early supporters with free tokens, further integrating them into the game's economy. BUMS token listing date. The official listing of the BUMS token is expected to take place in Q4. This move is anticipated to significantly boost visibility and liquidity, opening the doors for trading on top exchanges. The listing represents a major step in the game's evolution, attracting both gamers and crypto investors. BUMS Airdrop details. Alongside the listing, BUMS will launch an exclusive airdrop event in Q4. Designed to reward early adopters and active users, this initiative allows the community to claim free tokens and deepen their engagement with the game. It's also a strategic push to expand the player base ahead of the listing. Price predictions for BUMS token. Analysts project the BUMS token to debut at a price between $0, $0.50 and $0, $0.70. This forecast is based on several factors, including the game's rapidly growing user base, now over 5 million players, community interest, and expected trading volume. If momentum continues, BUMS could see a strong and sustainable market launch. Final thoughts. With its Q4 listing and upcoming airdrop, BUMS is poised to make a splash in the crypto gaming space. Whether you're a player looking to enhance your in-game experience, or an investor eyeing new opportunities, BUMS offers a compelling mix of entertainment and potential value. BUMS is a unique minigame that combines simple gameplay with strategic development. As the game progresses, players can unlock upgrades and earn rewards through daily challenges. With the upcoming Q4 listing and airdrop, the game is set to expand its reach and grow its user base. The listing of the BUMS token is expected to enhance visibility and liquidity, offering exciting trading opportunities. The token's price range is expected to reflect strong community demand and active participation. Overall, BUMS offers both fun gameplay and rewarding opportunities for players and investors alike. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share your thoughts on the BUMS airdrop in the comments below. See you in the next video, and thank you for watching. **